Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're tuned in to Living Modestly Naturally. Hi, I'm Rachel Harris, and in today's video, I will be doing a Dollar Tree haul. I'm so excited. I got some awesome things at Dollar Tree, and some of these items I'll be using to make a next DIY project I have coming up soon. And so if you want to see what I got, just keep watching. This first bag here, I got this container and lid here. It has a purple top. It has, so the top goes on, and it has these. I got that. Next, I got measuring cups, what I'll be using for my next video. Measuring cups. It's measuring cups and spoons. It has it in another language, and it's dishwasher safe. Next, I got a spray bottle. The spray bottle is cool because it has a child safety mechanism here. You press the tab and twist to open. So there's a tab here. You press it down. And then you twist it to open. And then here it has like these indicators here where the spray comes out stronger. See little droplets, and then let me turn it again. This side is an X mark, which means that it's closed, that you can't spray anything out of it. And there's another section where the spray comes out, the pressure is lighter. So yeah, so that's cool. Next, we have gloves. It's from the Brillo Basics textured grip multi-purpose reusable latex gloves. And I got in this pink color with these designs, a heart, and this little design here. There's two of them. Let's put it here. Next, got some AAA batteries. So got that from the Sunbeam brand. Then I got me some of these Ruffles Stover Coconut Bites in Smooth Dark Chocolate. If you like dark chocolate like I do, you can grab me some of these. These are good, and I like coconut flavor. So yeah, moving on. Next bag I mean. So the next bag I got some glass. So I got this mason jar. These items are only $1, guys. Like, yeah. It says the hand wash only. Yes, jar. Yeah. You can store anything in these mason jars. So, and I got these salt and pepper shakers, I think. But I'm going to be using this for my next video. There's something that I'm going to be making, and I'm going to be putting it into this. And if you stay tuned, if you subscribe today, you stay tuned, you're going to see what that next video is about. So I'm not going to tell you now, but subscribe today. Make sure you click on your post notification bell so that you will be notified of every new upload that I have, and you'll be able to check out what I have in store to put this in. So I got 2 of those. So that's one. And I got another one. So yeah, the top. I was so happy when I seen this. Yeah, so I ended up getting 2 of those. So if you want, guys, head on over to your Dollar Tree and you get you some of these products. And if you have anything else that you have purchased from Dollar Tree that was useful for you, that was useful to you and your family, leave a comment down below letting me know what you found, because Dollar Tree is like the go-to place now. Everybody is like going there and finding some awesome things that is useful, and I'm so happy that I made that trip to get what I need to get. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.